Free your soul, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, free your soul. This phrase is not just common in English conversations, but it's also a powerful expression that resonates deeply with many people. Whether you're learning English as a new language or you're just interested in the intricacies of phrases, this video will help you understand what it means to free your soul and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Free your soul is a phrase that carries a deep and philosophical meaning. It suggests the idea of liberating yourself from worries, stress, or negative thoughts that may be holding you back. To free your soul means to find peace, happiness, and a sense of liberation. This phrase can be used in various contexts, often relating to personal growth, spiritual journeys, or even emotional healing. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal growth. After years of self-reflection, I finally learned to free my soul from past regrets. 2. Spiritual context. Meditation and yoga can help individuals free their souls and find inner peace. 3. Overcoming challenges. He freed his soul from the stress of work by taking a long vacation. The phrase, free your soul, is not just about the words. It's about the emotional and cultural resonance it holds. It often ties into themes of liberation, spiritual awakening, and emotional well-being. The phrase is popular in many songs, poems, and literature, highlighting its universal appeal and powerful imagery. For those learning English, here are some tips. Context is key. Understand the context in which the phrase is used. Use sparingly. Because it's a profound expression, use it in appropriate situations. Explore similar phrases. Learn similar phrases like, find your inner peace, or let go of your burdens, to enrich your vocabulary. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, free your soul, and its significance in the English language. It's a beautiful expression that goes beyond just words, tapping into emotional and spiritual depths. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions behind them. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.